आजा। Good morning, Chandigarh. Just look at it. The radio jockey is out in me early in the morning. Oh damn! I forgot my watch. Anyways, okay, it's 5:24 a.m. and I made it today. Not today actually. I missed it yesterday. I know how blatantly I'm saying it and how happy I am this morning. Telling you, I feel so proud of myself. So I don't. Just look at this beauty and look at this beauty. Sam, smile. Sam. Other side. Hello, hello, hello. Aja. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. ये क्या है? ये क्या तरीका? ये क्या तरीका है? टिकल 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 टिकल। चल खड़ा गंदा रहा तू, खड़ा खड़ा गंदा रहा तू। गुड बॉय, गुड बॉय। ये क्या सर्कस हो रहा है? Just see who is here for my entertainment. Crows. I think their camera shy. They've stopped singing. They were singing so loudly. Anyways, I've seen crows being camera shy for the first time. Alright, let's switch on the camera. So finally day 3 is over and after today's day I think I should have named my page and my channel I Run With Dogs rather than naming it I Run For Fun, because today I have met so many dogs I can't even explain to you. First of all, I met Sam. I meet her almost every day because she is there in my society. I mean, she lives in my gully only, my street only. And then after that, I met that brown street dog, the puppy. And after that, I met a golden retriever. Yeah, he's a pet. He's not a street dog. And usually, the owner is my known. So I meet him not every day, I would say, but I generally meet him. So yeah, I think I really should name my page I Run With Dogs. I know it sounds funny, so I will let it be I Run For Fun rather than naming it I Run With Dogs. So it actually gives me a lot of positivity to meet such elements of nature, because they are always connected to nature always. Though we disconnect ourselves from nature using mobile phones, internet and all that stuff, but they do not use any of that sort, and they are still connected to nature. Especially the street dogs. They are always in the nature. They live in nature, and nature is happy keeping them. But as far as I think, nature is not happy keeping us, because we have exploited nature to its total extent, and this is very wrong. We have spoiled nature to a lot of extent. So yes, in the last video I think I did not show you the exact place where I am going, so I want you all to see that place today. Yeah, I'm gonna show you. See. Alright, so I'll not tell you the place I am at, because if I tell you, most of you are going to land up here. So it's better that I just show you this place generally, just by moving around and stuff, so that you can just have a look at in what kind of a beautiful nature I am living in. I am very, very, very grateful to God because of this, because I have such a beautiful beauty of nature just near my home. Yeah, it's just a 5 minutes away, and I feel so hungry after doing all that exercise. I know most of you will recognize this place once I take you to the target place we are headed to. But please don't end up showing up here, because the solitude of this place will be deteriorated and spoiled if you guys come here. I know this is gonna be a long video, so I'm gonna fast it forward after this. Yeah, so here we are. This is the major visitor attraction. Whosoever comes to this place has to visit this, because this place is actually so serene and so beautiful. Alright, let's go ahead and head to a new place. There are a lot of places to visit here. It's always good that you stay on from one place for a little time, because you can't believe so much. Why do I think this is my dad coming? I'm gonna shut this off. I think I came to this place for the first time. Whoa. I don't want to spoil the solitude. I'll just shut up the camera. Thank you. I mean, to be honest, I have never ever felt this way before, because whenever I am between nature, I mean, feeling that air strike my hair. Oh, this is not a poem. Whenever I feel that air touch my face, and all that blessings come upon me, I feel God smile for me, on me. Yeah, something that is really very important right now. But I should shut off this camera, because I mean, I can't let this solidarity go waste right now into the camera. So something that's more important is to sign off from you. Okay then, keep watching my channel and do like my pages if you want to, because that isn't necessary, because I am making all these videos for myself. So even if you guys don't watch it, not a problem, because I want these to be watched by my own self after 5 years. This is for my own self, to motivate myself. But if you get motivated from these videos, I love you. Anyways, I should take farewell from you. Your word go. Okay, bye-bye. Take care. Keep loving nature and keep loving yourself.